This call is now being recorded.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahmi Mufliya Broni. So today I want to present about my research proposal under the title Influence of Financial Literacy and Lifestyle Towards Personal Financial Management, Comparison of Economic Students and Non-Economic Students. So the agenda of today is first, background study, research question, research limitation, and research objective. And second is conclude of conceptual description, previous study, research framework, and hypothesis development. And the last is research method. The introduction, the background study. Money is a medium of exchange which is very important. Money is something that is available and generally accepted as a means of payment for the purchase of goods and services as well as other valuable assets and for the payment of them. It based on Thomas 1964. Therefore, intelligence in managing money is something that everyone should have. Financial literacy. The Central Bureau of Statistics, or we can call it BPS, has recorded that the per capita income of the Indonesian population in 2019 reached 59.1 million. Reporting from CNBC Indonesia, in 2019, PT Hansen International claimed thousands of customers based on a survey conducted by the OJK in 2013, Otoritas Jasa Keuangan, only 21.84% of Indonesia's population is included in the well-literate category. Lifestyle. Not only financial literacy, lifestyle can also influence someone in managing finance. A lifestyle that tends to be hedonistic or extravagant leads to poor financial management. Next is research question. The first is, does financial literacy affect student financial management? And the second, does financial lifestyle affect student financial management? Is there a difference between the financial literacy of economic students and non-economic students? Is there a difference between the lifestyle of economic students and non-economic students? And the last is there a difference between the financial management of economic students and non-economic students? And then the research limitation. This research is focused on the influence of financial literacy and lifestyle toward personal financial management of students in Bogor. The object on this research were students from 3 universities in Bogor, namely Taskia University College, IPB, and Ibnu Khaldun University. And next is research objectives. The first is knowing the influence of financial literacy on student financial management. And the second is knowing the influence of lifestyle on student financial management. And the third is knowing the difference in financial literacy between economic students and non-economic students. And the fourth is knowing the difference in lifestyle between economic students and non-economic students. And the last is knowing the difference in financial management between economic students and non-economic students. And second is theoretical framework, conceptual description. Financial literacy, in their research, Chen and Volpe describe financial literacy as the ability to manage finance so that later they can live a prosperous life. Quoting from the OJK's explanation on its website, the level of financial literacy of the Indonesian population is divided into 4 parts, namely well literate, sufficient literate, less literate, and fourth, not literate. Lifestyle. Setiadi J. 2010 explains what is meant by lifestyle is how a person spends their time, what he thinks about himself, and also the world around him. Minor and Moen 20 and 2 in the lifestyle is defined as how a person lives his life, including how he spends his money and allocates his time. Financial management. Gilman 20 and 4. Personal financial management or personal financial management is the art and science of managing financial resources from individual units. Personal financial management includes two elements, namely financial knowledge and the art of managing. The previous study. The first is Taufan Maulamin and Muhammad Aslan, 2016, under the title The Effect of Lifestyle and Level of Knowledge in Household Financial Management. The result of this study indicate that lifestyle factors tend to be more influential in household financial management. Destian Nurul Fatimah, with the title Pengaruh Literasi Keuangan Terhadap Perilaku Keuangan Mahasiswa Perbandingan Mahasiswa Ekonomi dan Ekonomi. The result of this study indicate that financial literacy has a significant relationship with student personal financial behavior, and there are differences in financial literacy and financial behavior between academic and non-academic students. Richard Joshua, Christian Yap, Farida Komalasari, Isan Hadiansah, 2017, title The Effect of Financial Literacy and Attitude on Financial Management Behavior and Satisfaction. The results show that financial attitude is the variable that most influence financial management behavior, and financial management behavior affects financial satisfaction. Therefore, it can be concluded that having good financial skill is very necessary in achieving financial satisfaction in the household. Nurul Amalia Putri and Dian Lestari, 20 and 19, with the title Pengaruh Gaya Hidup dan Literasi Keuangan Terhadap Pengelolaan Keuangan Tenaga Kerja Muda di Jakarta, with multiple regression analysis technique, t-test and f-test. The result of the t-test show that lifestyle and financial literacy have a partial effect on financial management, and the result of the f-test show the lifestyle and financial literacy simultaneously affect financial management. Then Melva Agung Saputri, 20 and 19, with the title Pengaruh Tingkat Literasi Keuangan Terhadap Pengelolaan Keuangan pada Pelaku UMKM Kecamatan Mojoloban, Kabupaten Sukoharjo. The result of this study indicate that the financial literacy variable has a positive influence on the financial management of MSME business. The higher the financial literacy at MNSE, the better business financial management will be. And next is research framework. The X1 variable is financial literacy and the lifestyle is X2, and the Y variable is personal financial management. The hypothesis development. H1, financial literacy affects personal financial management. H2, lifestyle affects personal financial management. H3, there are differences in financial literacy between economic students and non-economic students. H4, there are differences in lifestyle between economic students and non-economic students. And I'm sorry, there are some typo. Is H5, there are differences in personal financial management between academic students and non-academic students. And last is research method. The research area of this research is Bogor, namely Taske Institute, IPB, and UCA student. The type of data is primary with questionnaire in online Google form, and secondary is based on data in BPS, OJK, and journals. The types of research is quantitative research, and analysis technique of this research is multiple linear regression analysis. Okay, thank you for your nice attention. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.